Welcome to part 24 for Mac and Linux users, so Windows users can skip this video. We're going to transfer the local project files to the web server, and we're going to do so using something called a secure copy, and the command is right here. So basically what we're going to do is on our local machine, we're going to copy these files right here. So all the Python files, this is going to be in that project directory. So all the Python files, the data folder and all of its files, the assets folder and all of its files, plus these two files over here. And then the destination for these files will be our web server address. So we're going to do root, that's our username, at the IP address. So you have to find your IP address on Vultr, and then to this specific file location. So it's a pretty cool command that does a whole lot. And I specifically changed provided my specific IP address right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Now let's go back over here to our terminal. So here on the right hand side is, if you can see up here, this is connected to the web server. So what I'm going to do is, let me just show you we're in the root directory. What we'll do is, let's just change directories to that project directory that we just created. So this is at var www.html/corona. So this is our project directory, and if we list the contents, there is nothing over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to create what I want you to do is open up a new terminal, or you can close down the current one, but let's just open up a new terminal over here. And this is going to be, this is our local machine over here. So it's kind of hard to tell since they both look very similar, but this is our local machine. You can see up here at the top a little name for this. This is my MacBook Pro versus the our Corona instance over here. So what we need to do is cd into the project directory. So you have to know where that is. And so we're going to copy most of these files over. The only thing that we're not going to copy is that virtual environment right here. We're just not going to copy that one. So I'm just going to paste this command over here. So this scp command, all we have to do is run it, and it will do the copying. So let's go ahead and run this. Of course, we need the password, so let's flip over here to Vultr and copy our password and paste it in there. So now you can see it just ran. It copied all of these over to our web server. So we have the Python files, the data files, the style, and so forth, and the other couple of files. Tells you the size, even tells you how long it took. So let's see if the copy actually worked. So if I do ls again, all right, there we go. So we now have our files copied over. We can double check each directory. So there's the assets and there's the data. Okay, so that copies the files over, and now we're in position to run the dashboard with all of these files copied over.